We're now at our final stage of building our ultralight Flying Aces Club Phantom Flash. And so now this last installment is on covering. I'm not going to show the process of spraying spray adhesive onto the airplane, but I am going to show the rest of the process. It'll be fairly quick, and then we'll finish out with assembly of the airplane, and you'll get to see a little bit about how to get an amazing Phantom Flash. I have some covering wrapped up in here that I acquired from an outfit called Hiromi Paper. And Hiromi Paper deals in very specialized Japanese tissues. Now the fun bit is I'm going to have to ask my wife to go get me some scissors so that I can cut this tissue. But other than that, we should be fairly good to go. And my bird is here. Come say hi to the camera. No, you're not going to say hi. Say hi. Say help. They turned me into a parrot. You're not going to do it, are you? Oh well. That's what it is. Alright, so this is Gampi lens paper right here. This is a very thin tissue paper that, and this is its lightest form, in fact, and it's still impervious to the air. So I have a piece that happens to be appropriately sized for a Phantom Flash, almost like maybe I cut it for that purpose at one point. So next, I'm going to look for my scissors that don't seem to have arrived yet. But we'll cut the wing part to shape in a minute. First of all, I want to show you, this is Tenguchu paper, and you can see it's transparent. And for something like my rudder, I don't really need any structural capability. So I'm going to use this stuff. Now this stuff is very porous, and so it lets the air pass through somewhat. So you wouldn't want to use this on a stab or on a wing or something. It is perfect in this application. Now you'll notice I'm cutting this oversized, 2 pieces of it here, and that is because the rules say to build the airplane to the plans, and the plans show the fin being covered on both sides. So that's exactly what we're going to do. And you can already tell that with this on here, the fin is still transparent. Now, if you can't tell, I'm being very cautious with how I use this tissue, and that is because this tissue paper is, in fact, quite expensive. It is about $6 a sheet, sometimes 10, depending. And as a result, you want to be very judicious with how you use it. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to spray all the flying surfaces with 3M77. I'm going to spray my fin on both sides with it. Alright, so we have the wing sprayed with Super 77, wherever the label's there. And so we are going to lay 1/2 across here. And I'm making a right mess of this. Now we've got an overlap right here, so I'm going to put some glue stick down. And this is the world's most worthless glue stick, but it's going to have to do. That's not working out well. I don't know if the lid, I can do it this way. Nope. Okay, so the airplane's covered, so now we need to go ahead and assemble it. So I'm going to glue the rudder on with a smidge of left turn, because I find that they always need a little bit of that. Make sure it's straight up and down. And then we can flip it over. And I'm just going to put a dab of glue front, middle, and back. To attach the wing, you need a piece of rubber. This is some rubber I stripped off, so it's very, very thin. And now our wing is held firmly in place. And our final weight is 2.7 grams. So I didn't get it any lighter than hopes, but there y'all have how to do it anyway. I hope you've enjoyed this little episode of how to build a super light Phantom Flash, and we showed getting it down to 2.7 grams. Like I said, I wish I could have gotten it lighter. I don't know how this one came out so heavy compared to Hope's, because we pulled out all the stops in trying to get it lighter, and it ended up the same weight that hers started life at. And we pulled out far fewer stops with hers. So take that for what it's worth. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this, and we'll see you. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.